Whoa. Now we are going to draw the letter P in the alphabet.
Letter P.
Grab a pencil and let's go.
Ayan na.
Let's start with dark blue and draw a line straight down. Then a big curve coming out from the top of the line and back again. It's the letter P. Isn't it great?
Yeah!
Our P needs to be thicker. So start at the bottom like this. And then draw a small curved shape inside the bigger curved shape. Let's start with a dot inside the smaller curved shape to turn it into an eye. Does it remind you of anything? Aha.
It's a parrot.
I know what it is now. It's a parrot.
Yeah!
Parrots have beaks.
Ooh.
That is one strong beak. Now it's beginning to look more like a parrot. Continue with a nice round tummy. And some legs. Then thin legs sticking out. At the bottom, draw the feet. With a line for the toes. On its back side, draw some tail feathers. Split into two. On the head, a crest, or in other words, a couple of feathers sticking upwards. Now, open up the mouth. And draw in the little tongue. That's the line drawing done. Now we can color it in. Grab a light blue pencil to color in the head, body, wing, and tail feathers. Continue with yellow for the beak and the feet. And warm red for the tongue. Finally, start your drawing and the parrot is finished.
Yun na.
Here's a pretty parrot.
Oo nga, sino kaya yon?